Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add layer in Snapseed. Snapseed does not currently offer a direct way to add layers like in more advanced photo editing software. Layers allow for non-destructive editing where you can make changes on one layer without affecting others. But here are a few workarounds you can try in Snapseed to achieve a similar effect. So the first thing to do is to open up your Snapseed app and tap on the plus button on the screen. Select a picture you'd like to edit and then tap on Tools at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on Tools, scroll down and click on Double Exposure. Once you select Double Exposure, tap on this little plus icon with an image icon in it at the bottom left and then select another picture you would like to add as a layer. Once you select another picture, you can now go ahead and tap on opacity at the bottom left. Increase or decrease your opacity level in order to choose the image you would like to add on top. Make it more visible than the other one. You can also go ahead and adjust the size and position of the added image using pinch and drag gesture. Control how much of the background image shows off on your screen by using the opacity feature, and once you are happy with the result, tap on tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And that way you will be able to add layer in Snapseed, or in this case, let's say, achieve similar effect. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.